if you are an entrepreneur and naguguluhan ka sa dapat mong gawin sa negosyo, baka you'd like to consider a new book I have published. Ang title niya, The Entrepreneur's Journey to Fruitfulness. On the other hand, if you're a person who's involved in sales, siguro multi-level network marketing, insurance, real estate, baka makatulong yung isang libro kong sinulat. Ang title niya, The Greatest Salesman I Know, Does Not Sell. This book is about the softer side of selling. It explains selling as an art. On Wednesday, October 30, 7 p.m., I will do an informal book launch to explain how these books can help people. Sana samahan mo ko. 7 p.m. siya ng gabi. And I will be giving copies of this book to some lucky people. I hope to see you then.